and I ain't even met you yet. Everybody's waiting on you here. I can't wait to feel your heartbeat.